Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study from HC Verma effectively. First, familiarize yourself with the book's layout and the topics covered. Then, prioritize building a strong conceptual foundation before diving into complex problems. Consistent practice of numerical exercises is crucial for mastering the subject. We'll guide you through a structured approach to maximize your learning and achieve excellent results. Begin by reading each chapter's theory section completely, making sure to highlight or note down important formulas and principles. After grasping the concepts, tackle the objective questions to solidify your understanding. Don't skip the solved examples. Analyze their solutions step by step. This foundational work is essential before moving on to more challenging exercises, ensuring a deep comprehension of physics. When approaching problems, first try to solve the examples yourself before looking at the solutions. For the unsolved exercises, categorize them into easy, medium, and hard. Start with the easier ones to build confidence, then progress. If you get stuck, mark the problem and revisit it after a day or two. This method helps reinforce learning and develops your problem-solving skills systematically. To ensure long-term retention, create concise notes summarizing key formulas and concepts for quick revision. Regularly identify your weak areas by reviewing incorrect answers and dedicate extra time to strengthen them. Maintaining a consistent study schedule, perhaps 2 hours daily, will significantly improve your progress. This systematic approach will help you master physics and excel in your examinations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.